Welcome, folks, to the Crazy Chef. This episode, we're going to do a chicken piccata. Ingredients are pepper, garlic, granulated salt, no rock salt. We're going to have some lemon, couple of lemons, and we got some non-parallel capers, folks, mezzetta. These are good. And I guess we need the chicken breast. We're going to have 2 chicken breasts we're going to cook. We're a small group today. And we're going to have some Chardonnay wine. We've got to hit it with some white wine. Some breadcrumbs. And some regular bleached flour. And one other ingredient you're going to need, I'm the Crazy Chef, folks, you need a little wax paper. Come on, people, this is not wax paper. I'm just playing with your mind, trying to see if you're awake. This is not wax paper, this is saran wrap. Okay, are you awake? Here we go. Now, we're going to get the chicken. My lovely assistant is helping today. She's going to get a chicken breast. And here's a cutting board. See how she does it. Now notice that she got the bone side up. That's what she's going to pound. Not this side that is smooth. Okay, where the skin was. This is the bone side. Now, let me fix that up for her. And she's going to pound that. Now you don't want to pound the brains out of it, unless you got somebody that you're in a bad mood about. But you want to pound it nice so it's even all the way through. That's the main thing, so it all cooks simultaneously. Take that breast and put it in your flour. After, we're going to pound a second one. Yeah, that's a good pounding. Yeah, really nice. Okay. Take that out. Take that. I'm going to get rid of this, and now she's going to flour it. Make sure the chicken has some moisture, which it should, so the flour adheres to it. Shake the excess off and put the breadcrumbs on as much as you can. All right, so that one is done. We're going to put it on a plate. Now we're going to get the second chicken breast, and we're going to go the reverse. Let's put the bread on it this time first. We'll just play with ourselves a little bit. And now a little flour. So we got both versions. Whatever makes you happy. There you go. Now we're going to go to the sauteing department. I'll meet you over there. Okay, folks, here we are in the frying department, or sauteing. She's going to put the chicken bone side down first. There you go. Both kinds. This one here has a little extra bread because we did it reverse. Remember that. The pan, we had a little vegetable oil in it. We got it on high. Now we hear it simmering. You want to get a nice simmer going here. We got all the other ingredients ready, and we'll be back in a couple minutes once this sizzles off. Okay, folks, now my assistant's going to show you just by lifting it up, turning it over gently. See how nice and brown that is? That's what we want. Beautiful. Now we'll start putting our spices on there. Oh yeah, love that granulated garlic. Little bit of salt, not too much salt. I like to put a little black pepper on it, get a little heat going. Let's get some capers in there. It's going to sizzle, folks, so stand back. Beautiful. And we're going to put the lemon. Let's squeeze half a lemon Let's make sure we catch those seeds. She's too fast for me, people. Nice. Look at that. Now hit it with the wine. Oh, listen to that flow, people. Oh man, I can smell it already. Beautiful. Now we're going to let it reduce down. If you think your chicken's already cooked, pull the chicken out and then simmer it down. We need another minute on the chicken breast. Don't want to overcook the chicken breast, otherwise it gets, what they say, dry. Okay folks, it's been about 7 or 8 minutes. See how the chicken breast, depends on the thickness as far as how long it takes to get done. But always remember, you don't want to overcook it. We're going to pull our chicken out. Looking good. Beautiful. And now we're going to reduce our sauce. See how that's thickening up real nice. If you don't have time to reduce it down, half a teaspoon of flour in there, make a roux, put it in there slowly, and that'll thicken it up real quick. But this way here, it takes a little longer, but it'll thicken up over time. After that thickens it up, we're going to put it on the chicken, and we're going to go to the taste test, people. Okay, people, we're back at the dinner table. Now my assistant is going to show you how you can pour the sauce on there. Real simple, right down the middle, and it'll drip. Beautiful, look at that. Now that is art. A couple of lemon wedges on the side, a little parsley leaf here, a little mint in the middle. What a presentation. Now, I'm going to get a little piece over here, folks. Ah, yeah. Love that juice. Nice. Does it look too hot to you? Man, I got a mouth made of steel. Mmm. My God. If I had better teeth, it would be delicious. But this is great. It's better than delicious. Remember, spot on. This is spot on. Like my grandma said, cena è pronta. Dinner is ready. Everybody at the table. If you want to get fancy, you can slice sideways, folks. Slice it down sideways and make little pieces out of it. And that could be like an appetizer. See, just like that. Just slide down. Now, over the weeks, I've had some people say that they want to see what I look like. Come on, people. What do you think a chef should look like? I got a pot belly, a beard. You guess it. I think what we're going to have to do a special show, and then I'm going to show you what this beautiful man, crazy chef looks like, and that'll be in the future.